Welcome to the candle making kit. In this video, we will go over what's included and how to make one. Let's begin. When you receive your kit, check the what's included list on the top of the bin. Do this prior to the start of the activity. All right, let's get started. All right, guys, we're making a candle. I love candles. They're not very good smelling candles, but the kids like them anyway. So you're gonna get your little, ASMR guys. You get your little glass jar, and you have your little pins so you can draw in your little jar. Please make sure that you write your names in Sharpie on the bottom. I know at my sites we write them for the kids because some of the kids either don't know how to spell their names, or they don't have good handwriting, or they will forget. So please make sure you put names on the bottom. I'm not going to do that because there's nobody here. I think I'm going to draw a little purple flower. Draw on the candle jars before you do anything else. It makes a difference, I promise you. We're just going to do one little flower to, show you guys I'm an artiste. Okay. Gorge. So, after you've done your drawing, imagine I'm Picasso. You're going to take, oh, guys, I am Picasso. I lied. I made these. Tara wanted to cut them out of the video, but I wouldn't let her. I got this one. It's little flowers. Be creative, people. You're gonna take your glue dots or foam stickers, and you're gonna take your wick. This is a candle wick. You're gonna sticker on there. You're gonna peel the wrapper off, and you are going to place it in the middle of your jar. To help stick it down, you're going to take your wooden dowel and push it down to make it stick. Once you've done that, you are going to take, we have 3 colors of wax. Depending on your kit, the colors may be different. You're going to take your scoopers. We also have funnels. I'm not a fan of the funnels. I think they make a mess and they just don't work. And you are going to slowly pour in your wax. There are different ones you can do where you can tilt it on the side and add another color to make it zigzagged. You could mix it in there if you want to. Really, whatever your heart desires is what you gotta do. And eventually, by the end, you'll fill it up and it'll look gorgeous. So now that you filled up your candle and it's gorgeous, you're going to cut the wick just below the lid of the candle, and then you can put your lid on top. Your wick should not be longer. It should not be poking out, or else you're not going to be able to close it all the way, and campers are going to be spilling wax everywhere. Now that your candle is done and decorated, and we love her, then I suggest holding on to it and then giving it to their parents by the end of the day, because the jars are glass. You do not want campers breaking jars and spilling wax. But that is how you make a candle.